Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. In the last hour uploaded videos, we have presented many designing and decorating ideas regarding the small apartment, living rooms, the new trends in the interior decorating, etc. Surely you will enjoy this new uploaded video if you love the modern design. Here you will discover an absolutely unique home interior. Modern ocean coast house, a truly architectural gem, fabulously furnished and decorated. In this amazing home, everything is special and unique, from design ideas and finishes to furniture and unique decorative items, not to mention the beautiful architectural concept of an ocean shore house. Concrete structure with huge windows that allow plenty of natural light to get inside and at the same time to enjoy an abstracted view of the ocean. How we have already told you in the video description, a great home decor starts with painting the walls, choosing a comfortable furniture, and finish by adding special decorative accessories to create a homely and a unique look. So in other words, when the atmosphere in your living space is to be created, it is the decorative accessories that set the atmosphere, the mood. Like in this magnificent modern house presented in this video, just look at these amazing images of the home interior and outdoors. Here you can see the large central hallway with white walls and gorgeous ceramic tile flooring. A large kitchen dining area with huge floor-to-ceiling windows on two sides, wooden ceiling, and the same ceramic tile flooring, beautifully furnished with fabulous and unique decorative elements. In this image you can see the same kitchen dining area seen from another angle. Indeed, an amazing home interior with a magnificent view. influences of the outdoors. The whole house perimeter is wrapped by a wooden deck and surrounded by beautiful vegetation. You will find here many sitting areas and even an outdoor dining area. The house is built on a concrete platform above the ocean wave level, and it is composed by a central concrete rectangular structure and two wooden frame wings. It is a one-level home, but part of the attic was turned into a living space, as you can see in this image. Here in this image you can see the outdoor dining area beautifully furnished with metal furniture set. This beautiful home has 4 or 5 bedrooms with a modern look. The piece of resistance is the master bedroom with a fabulous design. Huge glass wall allows plenty of light to get inside and at the same time let you enjoy the beautiful scenery. Here you can see several images from outside of the home, like this image of the front door. Here you can have a better look of the ingenious structure of the home with its central rectangular section and two wooden frame wings. Sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a like. See you soon. Bye bye.